This is going to show you how to print a class roster for any class that you may need to print, the student name and the teacher. So make sure you are on the school that you're in. On the start page, under System Reports, in Systems, if you scroll to the very bottom, you'll see something that says Student Lists, lists and Class Rosters. You're going to make a PDF of this. Go ahead and click on that. You can find the teacher that you want, so I'm going to choose Callie here. And then what period and what day you want to print. So I want her grade 7 class, and that happens on period 1 of day 1. Here you have some options of the size of font, the line height. So if you want it to be on one page, you might see that when I do this one, it would be over one page. So I'm going to change the size down to 12 and my line height down to 14. See if that will get me on one page. And there are a few other adjustments that you can read through and try. So making sure you're on A4, any margins. So maybe I'm going to say 0.5. I'm just going to leave it at 1 for now, but you can change those as you wish. And then say submit. This is going to go into your report queue. And so here I have my most recent class roster, and I'm going to view how that looks. And here I have all my students on the different pages here. So something happened with my name. I need to redo the spacing on that. But again, you can play around with that in the settings over here. So it might take a little bit. Oh, I put 114, and I just want it to be 14. And I'm going to change this to 14 and this to 12, and let's see if that makes it any better. And submit. And let's see how that looks now. Yeah, so now it's back a little bit smaller. And if you wanted to shrink it even more to get those two on that page, you might want to play around with the margins on this. There's quite a bit of space on the top and bottom here. So that's how you print a class roster.